Today I'm doing a shout out on a channel that's pretty big and getting bigger by the second. And why is that? Because as you can see by this picture, she is an artisan of food art, knows how to trim and cut and make something beautiful out of something you can eat. I just wanted to share this wonderful channel with you, not because she's following me, not for any other reason than she is just an artist at doing food art. And I wanted to share it with you since I have a lot of channels that do food and they do tablescapes. This you could use for either one. Please go over and check out this channel if you're interested in this type of content. She is an artist. She will amaze you what she can do. And here is the artist herself. And she is awesome, and you need to go check her channel out. Don't forget to go over and check out this channel. And here she is, dressed up in her finest. And you're going to be amazed by her. I promise you, amazed. And here's just a little sample of what you might find on her channel. Now, she does do a lot of things sharing how she does it. But she did do a tablescape here. English Spring Afternoon Tea Party 2022. Oh my gosh, and it's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. Now, keep in mind, I am not someone she's following because she's already too big. I've waited too long. Look at that, 11,666 views. Why is that? Because she's so fabulous. Guys, get over there and check out this wonderful channel. I'm not going to say she's ever going to respond back to you, but sometimes you just watch channels because they're inspirational. They're awesome, not because they're going to follow you, give you watch time or anything. Now, this is one of my awesome friends that I do follow continuously, and she follows me back. She's an awesome channel. And you're going to enjoy her channel also if you enjoy gardening. And of course, you all know I enjoy gardening. And she does lots of different things on her channel. Takes you out and about and shows you garden centers, her garden, how she plants, what she does. And it's very well done channel. I really enjoy her. And she might actually follow you back. Like I said, this is a real friend and a real follower, and she's very supportive. So if you're interested in gardening and you would like to find a new gardening friend, here's a great channel to go to and see what she is going to share with you. I just love her, and she does give me a lot of hints and tips, and I love going shopping with her to Lowe's and Home Depot and seeing the garden centers she likes to shop at and what she finds. And look at all the beautiful edible things she has growing in her garden. And here is another one of my awesome friends. Oh my gosh, she does a beautiful job on her channel too. You know, you're going to notice I have a lot of variety on my channel because I get bored easy and I like watching a lot of different things. And here's another really awesome channel. Very loving, supportive, but great content also. You're going to be amazed at the different things that she joins in on and does. They're all so well done. She has all kinds of inspirational talks, fashion tips, decorating tips, shopping tips, and joins in on lots of challenges. Go check out her. And she is an awesome friend too. You're going to be amazed at the things that she does also. Here is another one of my awesome channels. I hope you go and check her out. Now, she's another one, is super sweet, super kind, and she may actually be following you back if she likes your content. She's very supportive, and she is a wonderful friend. Please go check her out. I think you're going to be amazed at what she does on her channel. Lots of different content, and of course that sweet little dog that she has. All kinds of beautiful displays at her poems she shares with you, all different kinds of inspirational things that will just blow your mind how beautiful everything is. Joins in on a lot of challenges. Oh, and she has a lot of great content. She just joined in on my Alice in Wonderland Tablescape Challenge. She went on vacation and still tried to join in. Can you believe that? That is a real friend. She's on vacation and she's still trying to join in on challenges. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, sweetie. You were so kind and thoughtful, and it was a beautiful display. So if you haven't seen it, you need to run over there and check it out and see what she did. Oh my gosh. I did the smallest, simplest one of all of everyone that joined in on that challenge. I am going to have to step up my game next year. I will tell you that. You know, Grandma's just sort of a simple little person. Small displays. Everybody did a huge display, and we're all so creative. Please go check out this awesome friend of mine. You're going to be amazed at what she does on her channel, and also sweet and loyal friend. Well, that's the end of all my shout outs today. I hope you go check out all of these wonderful creators. Everyone is so sweet, so kind, and I know you're going to enjoy them. Now, the very first one, she's not a follower. She'll probably never be a follower because she's already too big of a channel. But I wanted to share that she is a great channel, and you need to go check out her content. She's probably never going to follow you. She's too big already, and she's growing by leaps and bounds. But I did give you some wonderful followers that will be there every step of the way, that will follow you back if they like your content.